After these 5 days, I really can say that I'm on the right time, on the right place, because in some way things start to connect now. We have done a lot of inner work, and for me that was a huge missed part, because I felt a little bit stuck between the technical side of it and the soul side of it, you know, and to align those two parts together and making music out of my heart, out of my soul, that deeply inspires me, and hopefully I can inspire other people to do the same. Just to realign with yourself and bring music to the world out of your soul, and not just for clicks and followers and stuff like that. What really inspired me is the fact I felt it already, but now I know it. And that's a huge difference, that it can be super intuitive and super easy actually to make good music.
I think it's exactly what I needed. Everything aligns better, and I feel like, it was really important for me to come here to get like this confirmation of like, this is what I need to do, you know? I don't know how else to say it. There's so much healing potential with music. I think it's mostly important when you touch people's soul, emotions, reach their spiritual essence, maybe. I'm not sure if I'm doing that, but that would be amazing.
A retreat is not just electronic music, it's also meditation, yoga, breath work, and it's all together. Everything that I love. My takeaway is I am in the exactly right place where I should be. I would say watch some of his videos, and if you align with Eric, the way he explains things, I feel like it's a very friendly approach to electronic music with the system that he created, because it's amazingly easy to understand, I feel like. For me, it was. And if you are a producer, it's even easier, because I feel like it's a way to create and be in the flow state. All you need to do is create music, basically. So I don't think you need to think too much about that, but I'm just saying, like, watch some of his videos and listen to our conversation right here and what's happening to me, and come to the retreat.
How has the retreat been for you so far, the flow retreat?
Amazing. Amazing. Everything here is amazing. Of course, on the first day I was a little bit, I didn't know anybody, and I would also mention the non-music part of this retreat, because I knew that this exists, this non-music part, and I'm not very into yoga or meditation or something like this. I never was really. It's just not something which touches me usually. But it's okay. I can go into it if it's needed, and just look what does it with my body, and if I like it or not, I can decide then. And in the first 2 days, it moved a lot in me. This whole meditation and stuff and body working. So I had a little bit the feeling I could not focus on the music anymore. But then I had, and it was such a great experience how people realized that I would not say I didn't feel good. It was just a little insecureness in me. And it was so nice to say that Benjamin realized it and Eric realized it, and I had a nice talk with Eric one evening, and since then everything let go in me, and I'm fully here now. So I would also say that this was necessary to come to this point, that I'm brave enough to step into the studio and present my music, my own track I created, and I knew that a lot of other people were listening, and it was okay, you know? And maybe this would not have been possible if this other process didn't happen in the beginning. So even if it sounds a little bit like yoga stuff and maybe it's not so good, but it was necessary, and it was just part of the journey, and I can accept it as it is. Yeah, and when it comes to my music, of course, I just had a little one-to-one session with Eric, and he gave me in this 30 minutes so much good tips for working in Ableton, in the template. And yeah, I can't wait to try everything when I come home, or even maybe also with my laptop in the evening. Let's see. It's really cool. It's every cent worth to be here. Yes, it's an honor to learn from such an experienced person with music production. It's great. You connect to the magic of music and to let the music flow through you. And that I was able to experience this mechanism with music, I think this will enable me to also use this in my daily life more, because it's about acceptance. And acceptance is a big thing for me. Maybe for everybody. Yeah.